Okay. So now I'm host, right? Okay. So everyone knows, right? Myself is Srinivas. I have almost 11 years of experience. I'm currently working. Okay. So this session is completely for automation. Okay. My voice is clear, right? Can you please confirm? Is it clear?
For me, it's clear, sir.
Okay. 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 Good. So before we start automation, okay, before we start the automation, uh, can anyone tell me what is the differences between manual testing and automation testing? And what is automation testing? What is automation testing means what? Can anyone tell me what is automation testing? Anyone? Automation testing means what?
The test which we
Testing
done
happy.
manually, that
Go ahead.
can be done in automated way, faster way.
Uh, Automated way means you need to write some script and all the things, right? You need
Yes.
to execute the script and all the things, right? Yeah, good. Thank you. So most of the interviews, automation means the people are say Selenium. Please don't say that answer, okay? Automation, we have lot of tools, lot of automation things will be there. Don't think that only is the automation means Selenium. Okay, Selenium we use what? Open source. I will tell you what is the commercial and what is the open source. Okay, so automation means can someone always ask, can you please teach me automation? Can you please teach me Selenium? Both are the same only. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand what is the differences between manual testing and automation testing. Okay, now can we start immediately automation testing or first we will start manual testing in real time? Can anyone? What kind of testing we'll do first? Manual
Manual.
or automation?
Manual.
Manual, right? Yes. Please try to understand. First, we will do the manual testing. Okay, we will never do the day one. You will never start automation. These all are key points because most of the people they think that if I go with automation, then only I will get a job. Means no, you will not get the job. You need to understand the functional flow of the application. If you know you are in good in Java, you are good in the scripting, but if you don't know the application flow, you don't know what exactly it is happening in the application. If you don't know that, you cannot do automation, right? Even though you are an expert in Java or you are expert in writing the script, first of all, what you need to do, you need to understand the script. Script is sorry, functionality. The understanding the functionality is very, very important. Okay, so that is one of the most important, guys. What is the difference between manual and automation means? In manual, we are not using any tools or we are not writing any script. Okay, simply we are using like if you want to launch any browser. Okay, if you want to launch any browser, what we are doing, we are opening the browser and we are typing. See, I am typing, okay, www.amazon.com. So what I am doing here, everything as in a manual. See, this is what manual process. Whereas when you're talking about automation, right, no need to click the start button, no need to click the Chrome browser, no need to enter anything. This all we done with the script. This all we done with the script. Okay. So is it clear, right? So that is one of the most important one, guys. Manual is mandatory for everyone. Okay. And next one is what? If you know only automation means like only Selenium means you will not get the jobs. Okay. You need to have some knowledge on CoreJava. So my suggestion is what? If you already started CoreJava, then well and good. Otherwise, please start CoreJava. CoreJava means what? The basic part. Okay, what is class, what is object, what is inheritance, what is polymorphism, and all the things, and what is variable, what is string. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, that is also you need to prepare. Okay,
And
so
sorry to interrupt and
yeah, yeah,
Mami.
please go ahead. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
go ahead.
thank you, Srin. So, are we covering all this, all those topics in this class, or
Yeah.
we are just only covering the Selenium part only?
No, this part, see, the thing is what I never teach Java because most of the institutes what they will do, they will say that Java and Selenium. Okay, if you go with like that, right? See, Java we cannot cover within a 15 days of the time. It's not possible. I can see most of the people they say that within 10 days we cover all the things. that basic is not enough to crack the interview. If you want to crack the interview means you need to learn complete CoreJava. It is hardly will take 30 days or 45 days. And you need to learn with in a real time. Okay. But most of the people, what they will do, 15 days they cover the Java, and 15 days they will cover automation. The people are think that, oh, we done with the automation part. So 15 days of the knowledge you cannot crack the your interview. Getting right what I'm trying to say. So
Understand,
here,
but
yeah,
yeah,
but
maybe
don't
probably
worry.
too many
Don't,
questions in early. The thing is, I'm completely from non-IT, and I
yeah,
don't
yeah,
even have a knowledge on
I
Java.
understand. I
Yeah,
understand. So don't worry about that one. That is what I'm trying to say. If you learn CoreJava on your own, don't worry. Even I will share that complete videos of DurgaSoft. Okay. But the thing is what is that especially non-IT guys, okay, you need to learn CoreJava separately because either NagoorBabu or any other person, because they will tell you from the scratch. The day one they will tell you, okay, what is Java, how we need to work with Java, how we need to execute the things. But here, if you start with Java and Selenium, right, it will take almost 2 months of the code. It will take a lot of time because I don't want to give the material. If you want material, I can give the Java material, but I don't want to like that. I want every individual, you need to execute your code with your own. Because even I'm also in interview panel, we never ask what is Java, what is CoreJava, we never ask. We will ask them to the candidates, can you please write any code? Whatever the code you know, you just write. So when you will write the code, once you are confident about on that area, then only you can write the code, right? Simply, if you are mug up public static void argument string and braces, you are opening two braces system dot println. If you are writing like that, right? Suddenly they will ask you, can you please explain this? What is system? What is public static void? Who are aware of that CoreJava, right? They can only answer in the interview. Are you getting right what I'm trying to say? So if you
yes,
are
yes,
not, yeah, see, try to understand the reality, okay? People are thinking within 4,000, within 5,000, I will got Java and Selenium. Don't think at a commercial wise, okay? If you learn Java with your own, okay? Anyhow, we will share that videos, okay? We have a lot of videos, okay? Durga videos will be there. A lot of almost there are 200 videos will be there. Okay, if you are really interested on that area, you can learn with your own. But I don't have the time. I want to go with CoreJava means you can go with the CoreJava because it will help you not only in Selenium. If you want to go with the API testing, they will help in that area also. It will help you. Okay. So if you are mostly in interview nowadays, I think you believe or not, no one will ask you Selenium related question. Most of the people are think that I'm done with Selenium, still I'm not getting the job. So you need to have a proper plan, manual with a project. You need to hands-on experience on the project. You need to know what is Jira, and you need to know what is agile methodology, how projects will be like release, how the releases happen, like what is sprint one, what is sprint two. These all we already learn in manual. We are very strong in manual. Okay, now, what we are learning, automation part. Tomorrow, if you got any opportunity to work any organization, right? Tomorrow they will assign any story or a task on your name. Please automate the login page. What is your story? Please automate the login page. So what you need to do? You need to write a script. So first of all, how to write the script? You need to click the start button and you need to launch what Chrome browser. Once you launch the Chrome browser, right? So what you need to do? You need to enter your what you need to write. So what is the application? Once the
So your
application is
voice is not audible, sir.
okay. What about now? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir,
So
little bit.
yeah, good. So once you need to launch the application and you need to do this performance, like I just identify this locator and identify this locator, and you need to tell that to script click on login button. So this script you need to write with your own
understand.
understanding,
So
right?
sorry to asking
Yeah,
those.
no problem. See, no problem, yeah. You should ask, okay. You have to right to ask to everything, okay. Not a problem. You are because you need to clarifying, right?
Yeah,
So yeah,
thank you so much. The
yeah.
thing is, see, so I mean, parallelly, can we learn the, I mean, the videos, I mean, the
Yes,
drive what
yes,
you're gonna share
yes,
with us.
yes,
So
yes,
will that be separate, like, I mean, Java, core Java related stuff, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. And
You can let.
so what is the outcome from this, I mean, once I completed this course, I mean, what would be the topics which I be an expert? So what we
Uh,
gonna cover? I mean,
Selenium, you are asking?
yeah, Selenium and whatever the topics which you're gonna cover. I mean,
See, no,
what are the
that's
topics?
yeah, yeah, I understand.
What
See,
would be the course duration? Will it
hmm,
be 40
hmm.
days or 30 days?
I will tell you. I will tell you. So the complete course duration is what we will put like maximum 30 days, but we never complete within 30 days. Okay, will go for more than that only. Okay, so it's a maximum 30 days. Okay, it will go to 45 days also. It depends on you. So I'm giving what exercises to you. If you are working on that, then it is fine. If the most of the people what they will do, they never do that exercises. They will say that I'm done. So in that case, we can complete soon. Okay, but if you are following the regular sessions, right, then it will hardly it will go to 45 days, but max is 30 days. Okay. And you are asking what we will cover in this Selenium, right? So in case tomorrow they will ask you to do anything automate, you are able to do with that the things. Okay. That assurance I can give you, because here what we are learning, what is Selenium, what are the Selenium components, and what are the locators. Mainly we need to learn with the locators. Once we're done with the locators and we learn with the Selenium commands, once we're done with that, how to handle like radio buttons, checkboxes, and how to handle with the dynamic checkboxes, that we will learn. And after that we'll also learn with how to handle the pop-up windows. And even we also learn with mouse events like a drag and drop, or like scrolling up, scrolling down. These all you will have a practical knowledge. Okay. Once it is all done, then we will go with the test engine. That is one of the most important. The test engine is also testing framework. Okay. For it is a basic level. Okay. Not for experts. So test engine is what one of the most important one. Once we did with the test engine, then we will go with what Mavin part. Mavin, what we will build the project, and we will completely execute with the build process. Okay, how we can add the dependencies and all the things. Don't worry, don't confuse. I will tell you each and everything how to add the dependencies and all the things. Okay, once the Mavin part is done, then we will go with the Jenkins. One of the most important in real time, Jenkins part. Most of the people, automation, but you need to run how to execute the jobs in Jenkins. That is one of the most important part. Okay, you are writing the script, but how to execute that daily basis, or how to execute once you're done with your code. Okay, so that all we can see in the Jenkins part. Once the
Hello.
Jenkins done, then we will go with GitHub. Once the GitHub is done, then lastly we can discuss with page objective model. Okay, that we will cover entire this session. Yeah, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, someone is saying something. Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Good morning,
Yeah,
Srinivas.
yeah, yeah. Good morning.
Srinivas, can you please let me know what all kinds of frameworks can you cover in this course? As you
That
told, only TestNG will be covered.
yes, yes.
Uh,
Page objective model and Maven. These three we will cover.
what about data-driven and
Ah,
keyword hybrid?
no, no, no. We are not touching that part. See, nowadays, see again,
Mhm.
anyhow, in your real time, what we are learning here, right? It won't come that framework. In your real time, they have their own framework will be there. Okay. So how to read the Excel from the data we can do with data provider in the test engine. Okay. So that initially we start with that one, Excel and all the things, but most of the people are not executed that things. Okay. So I'm not telling that one. If you want, we can cover that also. Not a problem. That is one day session. Okay. How to read the data, like all these things. Okay. But mainly, if you are in good in page objective model, okay. If you are
Mhm.
in good in Maven, mainly Maven, the people are using in the real time Maven and page objective model.
Mhm.
See, and one more thing, we cannot cover all the things. There are a lot of things will be there. But after the completion of your this course, you can able to search your own, and you can also able to execute your script. Now you are asking how to work with the Excel sheet. Okay. Now initially you don't know anything. After this class, you can execute with your own only, because you will get some confidence, right? How to do that, all the things you learning all these things here, right? that you can.
Basically, you will
Yes,
make us like you will mug up on only the basic part you are telling.
yes. Not mug up.
And
We will do a
mhm.
real time the things like how we can execute all the things. Okay.
So as of now, there's no plan to cover hybrid and data driven.
No,
Only
no,
the
no.
basic part will be
Yes,
covered.
yes. Because that is
And what
one of the important one. Yeah, go ahead.
and the last doubt, Srinivas, can you just please explain like on what application like we will go ahead with the testing, real time, not real time, live
Huh,
projects.
huh. So live projects we can never tell you. Like say live project means in manual we can take an examples and we can execute. See here we can see this. Are you able to see my screen? One second.
No, I think you did
Uh,
not
uh,
share.
okay. Sorry. Hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, I can. I am.
Okay, good. See, we here the project selection is very important here. See, in real time also. So here we can go with this project. Okay, if you want, we can go with this project to automate all the things. Otherwise, we can go with. See, we don't go with like complicated sites. Okay, because first of
Mhm,
all, you need to understand the functionality. If you know that functionality, and we can
mhm,
do all the things. Okay, taking complicated functions and you are trying to execute means without knowing all the things you will not achieve that one. So go with a limited site. Okay, so this site is what now in the real time, what is the real time
mhm.
scenario? Okay, now I want to execute this with all the users. Okay, with
Yes.
in the real time, think about the real time, forget about automation part, forget about manual. Think how I need to execute this in the real time. What is the real time scenario? What is the real
Mhm,
user wants? Okay, real user wants to execute all the things. So here, what we can do here, we can execute data provide, not required Excel sheet, not required other frameworks and all the things. Okay, if you
mhm.
know how to create a data set. Okay, here I'm creating one data set. That data provider I was using here. Okay, by using of test engine. So I'm good in
Okay.
this. In case in interview they will ask you how to execute different users with a username and password, then you are very strong here. Okay,
Yes.
you can explain here that one. So if you know data divine and if you know hybrid and all the things, we are trying that, but I'm not in that. We are not trying that current project. You can say like that because you are in good in this area means you can explode in this. Okay,
Uh-huh.
because if you tell in wrong way in Excel sheet and all the things, right, that we can do. You can search in the Google after the class. You will get
Okay.
you will get entire the material in the Google. But most
Yes.
of the people, what they will do, copy paste. If you copy paste, right, you are happy at that moment. But after that, if someone asks you to write a code on your own means, you are not able to write that code because you are habituated what copy paste. But you will not think in the interview point of view, right? Interview they won't ask all the things. Simply they will ask you open a notepad.
Uh-huh.
Please write a code on launching the Chrome browser.
Okay.
So people who are not practice right, who are not did practice right, they cannot think anything here. And the mind is will be blank at that moment
Mhm.
because you are copying and pasting right. That is only it will happen. But you who are practice here right, they can easily write a system dot set property key and value. If it is Chrome browser means what key we need to provide, if what is the value, what is the driver dot get and what is driver dot quit and what is the driver dot close. If you know all the things, fraction of seconds you are writing the script, then definitely other person knows that, oh, you are in good in writing the script.
Got
So
it,
that
got it. And one more thing, Srinivas. I think we are not even covering cucumber part as well.
Cucumber nowadays, yeah, we started. See, the previously we started what you asking, right? Data divine, cucumber, and all the things. But last moment, what will happen? The cucumber also nowadays, if you say that we are in good in the cucumber also, then it is fine. But nowadays, no one was using that. Okay, not sure. All the organizations are using or not. And 2 3 years back, the people, if you write a cucumber right in your resume, the people are selected. But do you know one thing? I cannot say all these things. In real time, also we are not use Selenium.
Uh-huh.
We use different automation tools because writing the script there are lengthy process right nowadays. We are not using all the things, but why they will ask you in interview, do you know any automation, if you are in good in any automation part, not forget about Selenium. If you are in good in any automation part, then they will what is they what we can say that if you have that automation skills, that's the reason in resume you need to put manual and automation, whatever it may be. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you are in good in that automation part, any other automation also they will hire you, because in real time they will tell you KT, you know, right? What is called KT? Knowledge transfer.
Knowledge transfer.
Ah, so already you have a good knowledge in automation part. Okay, you cannot ask how to identify that element. Identify element is any automation is the same only. Okay, if you go with other automations also, it is the same only. Okay, so that's the reason in interview they will ask you, do you have a knowledge on automation part? Okay, if you say that I'm good in automation part means, then they will hire you and they will tell you their framework. Okay, and they will give you their KT session and all the things. Okay, is it clear, right?
This
What
you are
I'm
telling, this you are telling if the candidate is hired for experience level, right?
experience, you can 3 to 4 years you can go easily.
Okay. And as you told that in real time, we won't be working on a tool like Selenium.
No,
I
it is not mandatory. It is not mandatory. Some see most of the organization is what see. Selenium has some drawbacks is also will be there. What is
okay.
the drawback? It supports only web-based application. It won't support window-based application.
Yes,
Understand,
desktop.
right?
Yes,
Again, there are a lot of compatibility issues will be there. What is compatibility issues? Like it will
supporting.
support, good, excellent. It will support sometimes the major browsers. It won't support the browsers. Okay. So there are a lot of things will, if people are thinking that we will do everything, the people are thinking that everything we can do the automation. But think about in reality, we cannot do everything as an automation part.
Okay.
Understanding,
Okay.
right? You need
Yeah,
to
Srinivas,
handle
the
the
last.
server. Yeah. Go ahead.
Got it, got it. I think other people, other candidates also, they need to clarify that out. The last doubt.
Go ahead.
As you, yeah, as you told that you will be explaining only test engine. So if I keep experience of about 2 to 3 years,
Hmm.
so will it be fulfilled?
Yeah, definitely, right. You not only you're not keeping a test engine, you are telling that I
Mhm.
was good in the page objective model, I'm good in the Jenkins, I'm good in the GitHub, and I'm good in the page objective model. Maven, I'm good in the Maven. That is enough.
Is
Okay.
Maven a framework, Srinivas?
No, it's not a framework. It's a kind of thing like say what is a Maven means. So all the dependencies. Okay, how we need to add all the dependencies. I will tell you that one. Okay, I will
No, like
explain.
I'm aware of all these things. Like I used
Okay.
to work as a manual
Uh-huh.
tester only, so I am planning to switch into automation only. So this is the reason. I
Yeah.
have done my self research on these frameworks as well, and also I have
Okay.
went for one institute in Amirpet only. But these people they did not focus on Java, so it's not a good
That is
thing for
what
me.
I'm telling, right? That is what if
I
you
heard that. I heard that.
if you go with a proper plan, right? Definitely you will get into. If you are learn, you already aware of all the things. No need to come continue here, but you can learn Java part. You can spend more time on CoreJava. So what will happen? You are in good in CoreJava, you are already aware of all these topics. Then you can
Uh-huh.
internally, in case in your organization only internal openings will be there, means you can switch into internally. No need to go outside also of the organization. You can tell to your lead, I'm good in automation part, I'm good in this area, and also you can do some smoke testing. You know, right? What is the smoke testing? you
Yes,
can do-
yes.
you can implement it the smoke testing and you show to your lead, this is what I
Uh-huh.
implemented in my in my project, then lead definitely switch to into your automation part. Okay.
Basically, the company where I'm working now, these people they can't hire a automation tester, so that's the reason I'm planning to switch to other company as well. And as of now, I'm not working anywhere. From past
Oh,
10 to 15 days, I'm totally focusing on the automation subject only. And
that's good.
coming to the awareness part, awareness in the sense, I don't know that deep, what exactly the subject is. Only
Mhm.
the basics I know. I'm aware
Mhm.
of the basics, and I'm trying to sharpen my knife in data-driven and hybrid framework. So that is
Yeah,
the reason I'm asking you.
yeah, no problem, no problem. So if you are in good in basic level and if you are going now, you are looking for advanced topics and all the things, then you can practice, not a problem. We can see, we can tell that data driven and hybrid things. Okay. That's not a big deal. Okay.
Hello,
And
sir.
sorry, Srini,
Go ahead.
Rajesh, your only last question.
Yeah, no problem, no
As you
problem.
mentioned that Selenium will not be cover all the topics, like, I mean, coming to the web applications and all those things. So can you suggest or can you name any other application which can cover all? I mean, better, I mean, other than the Selenium, is there any tool which is better for automation?
Ah, good. So my suggestion is what for my experience, Selenium is what open source. So maximum all the organizations, if they use or if they are not use, in case they want to start automation means they will choose what Selenium only because Selenium is what open source. Okay. But if you go with like Tosca, you heard about Tosca?
Yeah, I
So
heard about it.
see, Tosca is what commercial tool. It is the commercial, completely it is a commercial. Skypress, that is also commercial tool. So when you want to go with, but basic part you need to understand what how to identify the elements and locators. These all are very very important. How to what is the XPath, what is the difference between XPath, absolute XPath, relative XPath. Everything you need to you need to know before you are going with other any other tools. Okay, Tosca is what recording and play. Now
Oh,
I'm giving to you to camera to shoot that some things. Okay, so that's not easy. That is not easy, right? If you are an expert, then only you can shoot in what area I need to shoot and how what still I need to shoot. Each and everything you need to know. Then only it will come out. The similar way in Tosco also we need to record each and every component. Okay, if you know the
like pretty
functionality,
good.
if you know the functionality, then only you can capture each and everything, right? If you don't know the functionality, you cannot capture all the things. Okay. So Tosca is what? Record and play. You can just record and play, record and play. But how to record and how to the module, what is how to XPath you need to capture, that all you need to learn.
Understand. Thank you so much, Srini, and thanks, team. Thanks a lot, team. My Scrum has started, so I'll join tomorrow again. I'll just,
Oh, no
in this
problem, no
call.
problem.
I got
Uh,
all the information.
yeah,
Thank you
yeah,
so much. Thanks,
yeah,
team.
no,
Bye.
yeah,
Have a good day.
no problem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yeah,
Hi, Srinivas.
Hello,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Are you covering all the logical programming in this course?
Yes. Java, not Java. This, what we can say that, and what type of interview questions they will ask you in web Selenium related. We cover all the things. Okay, I told you right. You can go Aram say you can go with 2 to 3 years. You can go more than that also, but it depends on your skills. Yeah,
Hello, sir.
And
Good
and
morning.
one more.
Rajesh here.
yeah.
Hello.
Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, will you please teach us JavaScript automations? For example, scroll down and scroll up.
Yeah,
Something part are there.
yeah. We will explain that. That we will explain. Don't worry. That is online only.
Okay.
Java
Fine, sir.
executor.
Thank you.
Yeah, Java executor like that. That we will discuss. We have that
No, sir.
topic.
JavaScript
Yes.
part.
Yeah. I
Okay.
understand. Okay. We
Okay,
can
sir.
do with scroll up, scroll down by 3 ways. Okay. You can pass with your keys up and key down, or else you can write with X coordinator and Y coordinator. And also
Mm.
we can execute with what you say is that right, the Java executor. With that also,
Because, sir, some company asked me, have you done JavaScript automation? That's why I
yeah,
asked you.
we can do that, but we can do that one. I will tell you. Okay, just text me if you have my email ID. I will share that also. Okay, if you
Okay,
want.
sir. Fine. Yeah.
Good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi,
Yeah, good.
Srinivas.
Yeah.
In the course detail, you mentioned the Java related some points like the loops, arrays, and
Mm-hmm. Go Java.
conditional statement. Yeah, for basic or core Java. So, are you covering those points or
No,
not?
no. We are not covering. That is what we are trying to say, right? If you we
Okay.
start with Java, 30 days is required. Okay. If you start with automation, 30 days. So I don't want to waste your time. So we want focus on Selenium part. CoreJava, you need to learn with the experts, not with the Selenium guys. Okay. So if you know with the basic to what is what to from entire from the basic scratch. Okay, how to install the Java and how it's working, what is the JVM. You need to learn all the things. That is very, very important. I told you, right, in interview, they will ask you some execution of code. Okay, if you are not able to execute that code or write, you are not able to write that one, right? You will not be selected. So 15 days Java, 15 days automation, it's not possible. Okay,
Okay.
got it right. So parallelly, you are learning CoreJava, you will gain some knowledge there. And here also, we are not completely not we are not ignoring all the Java things. We will tell you where it is important. Okay, yeah,
Hello.
yeah, go ahead.
Srinivas, as you told that easily we can manage 2 to 3 years of experience
Easily, yes,
according to your
yes.
content, post content. Like if I am telling the interviewer that I have only focused on TestNG framework, will won't the interview he will won't cross question me like why did you not explore other types of frameworks as well?
Yeah,
I'm
you.
focusing on frameworks because I just wanted to.
Yeah, see, I
I have
understand.
faced some
Might
couple of
be they
interviews
will
on
ask
that.
you many questions, okay?
Yes,
Why
yes.
you not learn cloud? Why you choose automation? See, as an
Mm-hmm.
interview person, might be they will ask many questions. Now AI
Yes,
is very important. Why you are learning? Why you are learning Selenium? Why you want to not go with AI?
yes.
So cross questions will come. See,
Mm-hmm.
current my organization, I'm doing page objective model and test engine. This is have
Okay.
the if you are like you cannot say to the interview person, right? If you like, you can hire me, otherwise you can ignore me. You cannot tell like that, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
whenever you have the knowledge, if you have an opportunity to work the test engine like data driven and all the things, I can say that I'm good in this area.
Mm-hmm.
Understanding, right?
Hello, sir.
They will
I'm
ask
good
you
in
many
this
Sorry,
area.
yeah, go
I'm
ahead.
good in
sorry,
this
interrupt
area.
you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just complete. I'm good in this area and I did not face any kind of real-time experience. I can answer like that.
Not real time. You can say that in my current project, we are using the TestNG. You can say, and we use data provider also in TestNG. We can use data provider. I think you heard about that word also. I don't know. You can use the data provider. Like you can make it as a data set, and you need to call that data set to the data provider. Okay, you can say that.
Okay, okay, Srinivas. Got it.
Yeah. Rajeshwari, you go ahead.
Sir,
Yes.
that's like I ask you about the some people work in only automation with Java related
Hmm.
work, and other than framework will work other people. So,
Hmm.
for example, voice company will work other people means uh, framework related work. Some people working and automation with Java, other people working. So, is it okay?
See, that is what I'm telling you. In the real time, the structure is different. Okay, you are saying, see, as a fresher, what they are expecting from you, 2 years, they won't expect like you need to do from end to end, right? So what they will do, they will assign one story. Okay, the senior persons are involved. So actually, in the real time, there is a regression team will be there, like automation team will be there. Okay, so manual team will be there. Some organization both you need to do manual task also you need to do as well as automation task also you need to do. Understanding, right? So depends on your organization structure. Okay, they will see we want only a framework. Framework means you are also involved in the framework. Okay, they will tell you what is the framework structure and what is the things. They will assign the story on your name. Okay, on that story, you don't think that test engine means you are only doing all the test engine. No, you are the part of that. You are what are the stories assigned on your name, right? That story you need to implement and you need to check in into that. Okay, understanding, right? If it is a free,
So,
yeah,
so
go ahead.
can I say
Uh,
in interview in as in an interview
uh,
uh, I can I worked in only automation with Java. I didn't work
uh.
framework.
Uh, you can say that testing, you can say that. What kind of framework you use in currently, you means you can say testing, or you can say that Maven, you can say that page object model, you can say that.
But
Okay.
Maven is not part of a
Not
framework, sir.
that,
Maven
yes,
is
not,
only Java.
yes. But you
We
can
can
say that,
create a Maven project, right?
yes, we can create a
Auto
project. Automation we can do with the Maven project.
yeah, right. So
Yeah, you can tell. That is what I'm telling. Whatever you have the knowledge, you can tell them. Now they will ask you, do you have idea in Cucumber? If you have a knowledge on Cucumber, you say that, yeah, I have the knowledge. If you don't know, means we are not implemented anything in the Cucumber. You need to say like that. Everything you
okay.
cannot learn, right? So what question is coming from that interview guy? You need to, according to that, you need to answer. Got it right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good, good, good.
Srinivas, are we going to discuss about the project structure also, like packages, classes? Where
We
are we
will,
going to
yes, yes,
club
yes,
up?
yes, yes. That is, we will see in page object model. We'll see that. Okay.
Okay. And what about extent reports? We don't have any class on extent reports.
See, I told you right. We can do that also. Yeah. But currently we are not doing.
Mhm. Okay, okay, got it.
Okay. If you are in good in test NG, that area, you are in good in that all the areas, then we can start with all the things. Okay.
For that, do I need to take other course or like
Not
some special
required.
attention? Will be-
Not required. You can search in Google also, it will come. But
Okay, okay.
how to integrate that you need to understand. Okay.
Okay. So parallelly, I need to go through other channels.
Yes, yes, yes. That's very important.
Okay. Thank you so much, Srinivas.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. It's a good one. Good discussion.
Sir, one
Yeah,
question.
yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, I am doing automation testing part my own way, but I don't have in code error, but I don't know how why it's not getting output.
That we'll see that. Console you can see, right? What in console you are not getting any issue?
Yes, sir, I have issue, but I will say another time. Okay.
Okay. That is what, don't panic. That is what I'm telling. This is the not one day you cannot learn all the things. We all together need to work. Not only me. All together we need to work. Now,
Okay, sir.
so you have a lot of questions, right? Don't think that only one day we can achieve all these things. We have 30 days of time or more than 45 days of wait time will be there. We'll execute. We will, if you are ready to share your screen, you only can do that thing. Okay, that is what we want to do. In most of the institute, what they will do, open the notepad and writing the script, and they say that execute this one. If I copy that one, right, definitely it will execute. But in my case, I will not give the script to you. I ask to you guys need to do. Understanding, right? If I give the script, right, you will definitely it will execute. No doubt, 100% it will execute. If you are asking cucumber, right, I will send you within right away. If you copy and paste in your laptop, right, it will execute. But I don't want like that. I want you need to create a project. You need to add the what is the dependencies and what are the jar files is required and what are the dependencies required, and you need to practice that one. That is what I'm looking. Even real time also they're looking that like that. Copying the pasting the code, it won't be work out. Okay. Understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Hi, Srini.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a doubt.
Hmm.
You said that you'll not be covering the core Java section,
Yes,
but in
yes,
your
yes.
course content, you have mentioned a section
Hmm.
naming Java, and
Hmm.
few topics are mentioned. So you'll not be covering those, and you'll be straight away going to the Selenium
Yes,
part.
yes.
Okay, so this
Actually,
Java section entirely will not be taught, and
yeah,
we'll have to
yes,
refer the
CoreJava,
core
CoreJava.
Java.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
I
and
told you right.
those.
Previously, what happened? We started like that, but we are not getting good results. No one will
Okay,
select it. But we started whenever we started, right? We are doing the same thing, the same exercise from the last 5 years. We are getting a good results because people are concentrated on where Java as well as Selenium. Okay, they're good. They are good in Java and they're also as well as good in automation part. So they crack the interview very easily. So we are getting very good results there. In a
okay,
batch, at
and
least
you
four
will be
people are.
sharing those
Huh.
videos
Yes, yes,
with this, or we'll have to separately purchase that.
No, not required. See, if you want to start, if you are, see, you are a self-learner means no need to
Mm-hmm.
join anywhere. Okay, I will
Okay.
share that. If you Google it now, Durga videos, okay, Java related with Durga.
Mm-hmm.
He
Yeah.
explain like anything. Okay, don't say I'm a non-IT and IT. Okay, even IT guy also don't know how to write execute the Java program. Okay, so in
Okay.
this case, everyone is the same. Okay, even MBA, civil engineers, electrical engineer, all are everyone is same here. Okay, but the
Oh,
thing is what how to understand the concept is very very important. How to gain the knowledge is very very important. So I will share that Durga videos, CoreJava videos. You can go with that. If you want the
okay. And
material,
when
I
will you
can
be
share that.
sharing that? Like at the end of the sessions
No, no,
or
no, no, no,
in the
no, no,
beginning?
no.
It's
In the beginning itself, it's in the beginning.
okay.
That is what you need not wait for me. You can after the class you can search Durga CoreJava videos in Google.
Okay.
Okay, that is what I'm saying.
Okay. And we'll be able to access it on our own. Like we don't have to get the help from the team, right?
No, no,
DURGASOFT
not
team.
required, not required, not required. That is what open they posted in open.
Okay.
Okay, so that is
Okay.
advantage there. But if you are land with real time, right? Like NagoorBabu or Durga, right? You can work with your like every day they will start with sequence order, so you can go with that also. That's your wish, okay? You have a time, then you can spend that time. Suppose you don't have the time, you don't have the time, then you can go with videos of CoreJava. But practicing is very very important. Only
Okay.
what
So
you
this videos will come along with the course we are actually
uh,
enrolling for, right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
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 The
Yeah.
videos
Thank
you can search after the class also. Google you can directly search with that.
you. Okay.
Uh,
You mean we can go and search for the course in the DURGASOFT
No, 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 no,
website?
no, 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 no. Normally you can search in Google. There are a lot
Okay,
of
you mean okay outside. Okay,
yes,
yeah.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
got it.
You want to purchase the separately means you they charge I think 1,000 or I don't know what amount it is. Very less amount only,
Okay.
but it is the latest one I think. Check with them.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. You actually mentioned that it is a DURGASOFT video, so I thought like
Ah, no,
the
no, no, no. See,
okay,
better
you are saying
uh,
that we have to I mean go and search it
uh,
separate and we have to
yes, yes, yes,
learn
yes,
it.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise,
I
you
thought
can
you will be sharing a DURGASOFT video.
yes, yes, Durga. What see the same thing they will tell, but in if you learn with the latest one, right? They will tell you which was the latest one in the current market. Now, what is
Okay.
Java current market? Can anyone tell me what is Java? What version we are going now? Java.
11, sir.
Uh, so you need to understand how with the things will be there. Interview they will ask you this kind of things only. You are saying I'm done Java, I'm done CoreJava, but which version you are in currently means there is no answer
Mm.
means then it is a problem, right? So you need to update it, the thing. Okay. So don't worry. First of all, you can watch that videos, okay, which we are sharing like or outside of the Durga stuff. You can search Durga CoreJava videos or Durga CoreJava interview questions or Durga CoreJava interview questions. If you search means you will get a playlist. Okay, so
Okay.
go with one by one. But don't jump to the last. One video you can cover. Still you are not understand. You are not getting. Then you need to check with the team. I want to CoreJava videos or a live sessions I want. So in the live sessions they will do with immediately right 1 hour sessions right. Then you can
Mm.
easily understand what is going on there.
Okay.
Okay, got it
Yeah.
right? What I'm trying to say. But
Yeah.
plan according. See, this is what not only I'm joining the session. It's not like that. How to crack the interview in a proper way. How to get into the job. My goal is what everyone need to be get into the job as soon as possible. So in what way I need to get completion of the course only not to get the job. If someone is say that they are not practicing every day, they're coming, they're listening, and they will close the session. Okay, in 30 days, after the 30 days, if their question right, what I learn means we can't do anything right. If you are practicing every day, you are doing every day, you are exercising every day, then you will get a good results. See, most of the people who already learn in Selenium, again, they are learning because first time they not learn in a proper way. Yeah. Got it right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, good,
Thank you.
good, 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 good. Okay, so good guys. Anything else? Hmm. So, what is your role? Just that is one of the most important interview question. Okay, what is the test automation engineer, what is your role? The role of a test automation engineer is what? To design and build and test and deploy the effective test automation solution. Okay. So what is your role in real time? First of all, you need to understand what is my role. Okay. So you need to build means what? Once you write the script, right, you need to what we can say that mark as a build. Okay. You need to perform the build. How we can mark as a build means by using of Jenkins. Okay. Deploy, how to deploy the things, we will tell you. Okay, how we can deploy all the things. So in GitHub we can do with all the things. Okay, but exactly in real time, what is your role means? You need to design. What is the design means? What are the test cases you have, right? What they will provide you test cases. Okay, or else they will ask you to provide to write the test cases. So you know, right, how to write the test cases? Everyone know, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Suppose they will ask you write the test cases for this page. So what you need to write the test cases, okay? So first what you need to write, actual result and expected result you need to write. Open the Chrome browser. So what browser it is opening? Chrome browser is opening, right? So actual result, expected result. That test cases, what are the test cases you have, right? You need to automate that. Okay, that we can say that test design. Okay. So you need to, they will provide you all the things. Okay. And what does test engineer, automation engineer will do? Okay. What you will do regularly? Sometimes already script is there. No need to write. You just run that automation script and you need to provide the result. Understanding, right? People are thinking that I need to learn all the things. Sometimes see some organization already automation job is ready, but every day you need to run that one because we want the result. Okay. So sometimes you need to understand how to run the existing jobs. Understanding, right? Already the job is there that you need to run. Okay. That is very, very important one. So what automation engineer will do? Planning and implementation and monitoring. You need to monitoring every day. What is called regression? Can anyone tell me what is called regression testing? Regression means what? What is called regression testing?
Testing the areas of dependencies.
Yes. So make sure the bug is fixed or not. It should not impact. Okay. Areas of dependency. See, now the developer asks you to do the regression. So what we need to do manually, it is very tough to do the regression. So in that case, what we can do? Already regression job is there. Okay. Just you need to execute and you need to monitoring that where it is failing. Okay. So error analyzing is also is very, very important. People are say I am executed, but people are say it is not working. For what reason it is not working? Where is the error it is hitting? What kind of error it is throwing? It is the time. Sometimes with the time dependencies it might be a failed. Okay. Or sometimes the element is not found. Sometimes no such element is found. See, there are a lot of different issues will be there. So you need to analyze all the things. Okay, don't worry, we will see that when we are executed the things, right, we will see all the things. Okay. So roadmap, see, that is if we are initially, if you are in good in what we can say that good in manual, you know everything about the manual, then what you need to do, you need to learn with the web automation. Okay, not only Selenium, you can learn anything. Okay. After that, you are in good in automation things, right? Then you can slowly switch to the mobile automation. Okay. So once you are in good in this area, right, then you can go with the APIs. Okay. So you need have a proper roadmap. Okay. Uh, but sometimes you will get a good, suppose you are got a good opportunity in good organization, then automatically they will tell you how to execute the scripts in mobile. No need to learn separately on this area. Okay. But basic is what if you want to go with an automation part, you need have a good knowledge on manual. You cannot directly to join an automation engineer. First of all, you need to understand what is going on manually and how the functionality is working. Each and everything you need to understand first. Okay. Once you are in good in the manual, right, and parallelly what you need to start, you need to start web automation. Okay. Selenium will be support with what? Web automation. Once the automation part, you are in good in this area, you know how to write the script, how to execute the script and all the things. Then you can switch into APIs, like what we can say that mobile automation part. Okay, now AI is coming. Okay, there are a lot of tools are coming with the AI. You are in good in these two areas, basic knowledge. This is what that both are manual and automation is what basic part. If you are good in the basic part, then you can switch into the other areas also, like mobile testing. Once you are good in mobile testing, then you can go with the DevOps. What is called DevOps? You know, right? What is called DevOps? Okay, what DevOps people will do? So they will go with the CI/CD. What is called CI/CD? Anyone know what is called CI/CD? CI means what? Continuous integration, continuous development.
Development.
Yeah. So this all you cannot learn day one. You cannot learn all the things, right? You cannot learn all the things in day one. Okay, slowly, you need to come with one. So you are in good in manual, then immediately start with automation part. If you are in good in automation part, then you can go with other tools. Okay, there are other tools will be there like mobile testing. Once you are in good in that area, then you can go with the APIs. Okay, like that you need to plan yourself. Okay, so now see in your resume, manual I'm good, automation I'm good, CoreJava I'm good. So your resume weightage is more right now. Previously you have only manual, but you are very confident about CoreJava because you are learning. You are very confident about Selenium because you are learning. So these all three you are kept in your resume weightage will be more. Understanding, right? See, the best automation testing tools, most of the people are say only Selenium. See, there are a lot of things will be there. I told you, right? Tosca, SOAP UI, test complete, Selenium, UFT, okay, Catalan. This is one of the most important. It will support both the web and uh, Windows. Okay. So there are a lot of things will be there. Do I need to learn all the things? No. Only one area you need to expect. Okay, you are in good in one area. Okay, you are very good in this one area. Means the rest of the things are the same things will be there, but there will be a slight changes in UI and there is slight changes in script. Only that. Understanding, right? No need to learn all these things. Not required. Cucumber, not required to learn all the things. If you are in good in one area, at least in Selenium, you know how to automate the things. The rest of the things, if you go with seeing the document, right, you can easily understand. Okay, that's the reason in interview they will ask you Skype. Okay, this is also one of the important one. They will ask you, do you have any automation knowledge? They won't ask all these things, right? So might be you in previous organization you are using Selenium, but in current organization they are not using Selenium. They're using what? Cypress. But they will hire you because you have a automation knowledge. Not they won't think that whether you have a Selenium knowledge or a Catalan. They won't think like that. You have a basic knowledge in automation. So I can hire you. I can give you a training. I can give you KT sessions, and I can convert to you as a Cypress automation. Understanding, right? So basic part you need to at least one automation part in your resume. Okay. Okay. What is Selenium means? Simply, you can say that the Selenium is what a suite of software tool used to what automate the web browsers. See, we are automate what web browsers. We are automate the Chrome browser. We can automate what Firefox browser. We can automate what Edge Chrome browser. We can automate what Safari. Understanding, right? So what is Selenium means? You can simply say that it is a software tool which is automate the web browser. I can automate this web browser, Chrome browser. Completely I can automate it. See, now here I'm entering Amazon, right? Not required. If I learn Selenium, right? I can send the text here and I can click here. And once the page is loaded, right? I can click all these buttons and I can click all these links. I can do all the things. That is what he's saying. What is Selenium means? What is Selenium? Selenium is a suite. Okay. The Selenium is a suite of software tool uses to automate the web browsers. You can automate any web browser. What are the web browsers? Can anyone tell me what are the web browsers? Web browsers are, you can automate what Chrome. You can automate what Edge Chrome. You can automate what Firefox. You can automate the what the main
Safari and Edge browser
uh,
also.
yes, you can automate anything. Okay, that is what so you need to learn supervisor. See, this is what you need to always open this site. Okay, you want to go with more and more knowledge. So the always you need to go with selenium.dev. Okay. So here complete documentation will be there. Okay. So what is WebDriver? What is Selenium Manager? How we need to start? What are the browsers? What browsers we are using? What browsers we can automate? So you want to get more knowledge, you can do for this one. Okay.
So
So
can you just share this link in the chat, sir?
sure. Can you check? Are you getting? I think it went to Kalyani. Everyone in the meeting. Yeah, now you are getting. Can you check? Are you getting now?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay,
Thanks.
okay, good. So whenever you have a free time, right? So concentrate here. Okay, check this one. Okay, but see, once I will tell you the notes, right? I will tell you, right? Then you will get some idea. Then you can refer. Then you can easily understand. Okay. See, with the Selenium, what kind of testing will do? Important testing. This question no one will tell you. Even who are completed with the brand courses also in Amitpet, what kind of testing you will do means they will never tell. I saw many people. Okay. So first of all, you need to understand what is your role. What is your role in automation part? So what exactly you will do? So you need to have all these things before you are going to the interview. So the Selenium, we can use GUI. What is called GUI? What is called GUI?
Graphical user interface.
That also we can test. You can find out the label, color, text. That also you can find. And core functionality testing, functionality wise, just enter the valid user ID, enter the valid password, click on the login button. That is what core functionality. Business processing testing, like it is the logic is working correctly or not, we need to check. E to E, end to end testing. Cross browsing testing. This is one of the most important in automation part. What is called cross browsing testing? Can anyone tell me what is called cross-browsing testing? Cross-browsing means what? So, as an end user, will not test only in one browser, right? So now, Amazon application I cannot test in one browser. I need to test this Amazon application in what? Different browsers, okay? In my laptop, there is no Chrome browser is not there. In my laptop, there is Chrome is there. So here also I need to test, right? Here also whether it is working correctly or not, I need to check, okay? That kind of things we can call it as what? Cross-browsing testing, okay? Sanity testing. What is called sanity testing? What is called sanity? A small change, the change should work, right? After the fix, the small change should be work. Okay, sanity testing we need to do. Regression, mainly automation. Selenium is used for what? Regression testing. Interview question, what is regression testing? So what is called regression testing? Make sure the bug is fixed or not. It should not impact the rest of the areas. Is it clear? Okay, usability testing. What is called usability testing? Can anyone? What is called usability testing? Manual
User friendly or not.
compatibility.
user friendly or not. Tabbing order is working correctly or not. So you need to automate these kind of things. So by using of Selenium, you can do all these things. GUI testing, database testing also we can do. Usability testing also we'll do. Regression, sanity, cross browser testing, E2E, and business process testing and core functionality. Okay. Now you got a doubt. What is business processing? Don't worry. They will tell you what exactly they're looking for business processing testing. Okay, they will tell you for each and everything, they will give you KT and they will tell you, okay, don't think that I will do all the things. Okay. This we will see tomorrow. It's already 9:35, right? We'll see. See, this is not demo. We are continuing the session. So tomorrow we'll see how the Selenium architecture, Selenium 3. Okay. and Selenium 4. Now people are using word Selenium 4. So we'll see that one. And the types of Selenium, we'll see the components. Tomorrow we'll see how to, without writing the script, how to automate your web browser by using of Selenium IDE. We'll see this one. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see this, all these things. Okay. Anybody have any questions? Every day, 1 hour session will be there, guys. But I want everyone need to do with the practice. It's not like a manual, only listening. Okay. You need to, after the class, after the completion of the class, whenever you get a time, you need to do the practice. Otherwise, you cannot achieve this one. Okay. Anybody have any questions?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, is it important to learn Python also with basic means with
Good
Java
question.
also?
See, it depends now. See, most of the project in market is what Java related. Java, no one will beat you. So if you see that Java, see, when almost 10 years back, even before 10 years back, Java is have a more competition. Now people are crazy with what Python related. Yeah. If you know, if you want to learn both, you can learn both. See, the syntax is only a change, not much more than that. So here Selenium will support what multiple languages, right? So you cannot learn all the things, right? You cannot learn all the things. Okay, it is very difficult. If you are in good in one area, okay, if you are in good in one area, the rest of the things are the same only. Okay, no need. See here, the script for what local driver. Okay, Java. Okay, so in Python, how we can add here? It will tell you easily. Clearly, they will tell you. Okay, there is small what we can say that syntax changes will be there. Okay, so no need to learn all the things. Understanding, right?
Yes.
Got it, right? What I'm trying to say. See,
Means we can get job by learning this also, core Java type.
yeah, that is what CoreJava is very, very important. If you want to go with API testing, not now, furtherly. Okay, in
Yes.
future. Okay, not only that, you want to go with microservices testing. See, whatever you learn, it won't waste. Okay, either it is Java, Python, or whatever it may be. But you need to expert in that area. You are learning CoreJava off part and Python, you are learning some off part, then it won't use. You are in good in Python means you have a good knowledge in Python. You want to go with in current project in Python means you can go with Python. Okay,
Oh,
but if you good in CoreJava, right, the rest of the things you can learn with your own. Okay, no need to learn all the things.
then with core Java we have to learn advanced also or not?
Not
Is it
not
sufficient
required.
with core
No,
Java only?
CoreJava is enough. Fine. Once you want to get into the organization, right, then you will automatically learn all the things. IT means what? You need to continuously learn. Understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
It is not stop with only CoreJava. Okay. In your project, you are in good. We don't know, right? People, we are fearing about the coding, but we don't know. Some people are very interested and they people are doing miracles on that code. Slowly you can switch to the development side, or slowly you can, if you are in good in writing the script, then you can switch to advanced Java. And if you know more and more concepts, right, you will get more and more opportunities. Okay, but as of now, automation engineer not required to write a good script like you are going with advanced topics, not required, because if you know all the things, you will switch to developer side only, right? Why you are going with the testing side? But core Java is what the basic part. Okay, don't people don't know how to create a class. And the class has how to create the class. Okay, that you need to learn. The basic part you need to learn. That is very, very important. Okay, got it right?
Yes, sir.
We'll see that one. We'll see. That is a good question. Do not required to learn all the things. There are a lot of things will be there. You need not learn all the things. But one area, if you are expert, then other areas is very. See here, we are writing driver dot URL in Python. Slight difference will be there. Slight syntax difference will be there. Not much more than that.
No, sir. My friends, my colleagues in my
Hmm.
company, currently I'm
Hmm.
working there,
Hmm.
they
Hmm.
used
Hmm.
to say learn Python, means focus mainly on Python. That's why.
Yeah, because in your organization might be the people are looking for more projects in Python. Yeah, then you can start with Selenium with Python, or else you can learn parallelly Python. Understanding, right?
Okay. No,
If
but no, they are saying that's why I'm asking. Miss,
I
if we
understand. I
learn Java,
understand.
if we
I
learn
understand.
Java, we can get the job in Java also. Like,
Yes, definitely. If you are learn Ruby, you are expert in that area. In that also, we can get into the job. Mostly in US people, they use what Ruby. Okay, here it's very less projects we have. Okay,
okay.
understanding right? So you can learn. See, that depends on you. In your organization, after learning of all the things, they will give you an opportunity. Means you can go with that one. No, I want to go with Java with Selenium first. After that, I want to go with Python. Means you can go with like that also. Okay, got
Okay.
it right?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah, good. But
One
practice
thing, Srinivas.
required. Hmm. Sorry.
Yeah, this is Smita regarding the
Yeah.
same Python. Even I have a question.
Uh-huh.
So, what would be your recommendation, like being from manual, getting into automation? So, Selenium with Python would be the best option as planned future, because right now Python is taking over the
Yes.
Java,
Yes.
or okay. So when you say that core Java, like which you're not covering in this content, so better to learn Selenium and then any recommendation for Python only related to the automation tool, not the entire Python. Is there such any information you could share, or you would recommend Selenium with Java? That's the best option. What would be your
Yeah.
thought on that?
Yeah, I totally agree with you. But see, Python is the mainly the project compatibility also we need to check, right? Suppose you are working with AI related things, then we need to use some Python, right? So suppose you
Because
are yeah, go ahead.
future they're talking Java won't be using
No,
much
no. I'm
anymore
not.
ahead.
No. I'm not agree with that one. The people
Hmm.
say that when the AI will comes, job will be there is no jobs for manual and there is no job for automation. I'm not agree with that one.
Okay.
If see you are in good in that domain knowledge, so whether it is Java or Python, okay, if you are in good skill in that area, no one will replace you because you have a
Hmm.
domain knowledge is there. You have a good knowledge in that application, how it's working and everything. Okay, if you go with AI also, AI will not give complete content. Only it will give us some part of that content. Okay, but AI also, if we are implemented with AI also, that need to be a tested, right? That also need to be tested. Okay,
Okay.
so
Because why I was asking you is,
Mhm.
as you were showing up right now, Java, a small
Mhm.
script, and
Mhm.
when the same script is been written in Python, right? It's a quite for a new code learner, Python makes more easier to understand. It is very simple going, compared
Yes,
to
yes,
Java.
yes.
So thinking in that perspective,
Hmm.
just confused whether to stick
No,
with
no, no.
Python or.
No. First, don't confuse. Okay, you see,
Mhm.
if you feel I don't want to go with go with the Java means you can go with Python. They have the both importance will be there. Okay, I'm not saying only if you're a Python you will get a job. I cannot say like that. Okay,
Mhm.
because all the projects are currently not in Python. Okay, so Java is having their own importance will be there. Python has their own importance will
Mhm.
be.
Mhm.
Now coming to what I'm telling is either whatever you learn, either CoreJava, either Python, but you should be expert in that area.
Yeah. So
Okay.
what is the best thing for the long term?
Now
With
I'm
what
telling,
combination?
see, Python you can learn your own also.
Okay.
Okay, but better my suggestion. It's my purely my personal suggestion is what
Mhm.
CoreJava is very important.
Okay.
If you Java, you know, right? If you know that thinking, how to write the code, if you know that part, right? You are learning now critical part. Then rest of the things are easy, right? You are struggle here to learn the CoreJava. You are good in this area. Then Python, here you are writing 10 lines. In
Uh-huh.
Python, you will write only one line.
One line. So that
One line.
would not confuse, right? Like if you want to catch up
No,
later on
not
with
no,
Python.
not at all confused. Only syntax,
Okay.
syntax you need to maintain it. Logic
Yeah.
will be the same.
Got it.
Python is also click is click only. In Java is also click is click only.
Yeah.
Action is the same, but logic, what you are returning, right? That is important.
Exactly.
I understanding, right? What I'm trying to say. So
Yeah.
Python, you can happily, aram say, you can learn with your own. Okay, once you are in good in that. No, Srini, I don't want to
Got
take
it. Okay.
but then now I want to go with Python. After learning of Selenium, just start with writing the code with Java and immediately write the same code in Python. So you can learn the both ways. You know anyhow how to execute the code in Python, in Java. The same code you can try with Python. You can Google it, automatically code will come. Okay.
So you're saying over Java, Python would be easy later after to catch up on,
Yes,
right?
easy. If you learn CoreJava, right, other languages are very easy. Rest of the things. Only you need to change the syntax. Syntax you need to
Okay.
double quotes or a single quote. That is only will be changed.
So long-term Java would be beneficial as well
Yeah,
over Python.
definitely, and
Okay,
definitely,
that's the one thing
definitely.
wanted to check.
Yeah, definitely.
Because now we are learning, so make sure that the time or whatever we are investing should be appropriate. I mean, like no
Yeah,
any
that
kind of a
that is
short-term.
what my worry. The people are learning, but they are not practicing. Completion of course I can do within the 30 days I can complete. But after completion of the course, if I ask you to execute the code means if you are not able to execute the code means then it is waste, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So whatever you learn, either A, B, C, that is fine. At least you need to write that A, B, C after the completion of the course. But most of the people, what they will do, they are joining and they are, so a lot of questions what you have, right? Whether Java, Python, they are not concentrating on anywhere. Either you, one area you can take, stick down that area, try with that one. If job is not getting means what we need to do? We cannot continue with the same, right? I need to switch to the other area.
Okay.
That is what we need to plan. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for
Yeah,
clarifying.
yeah. Good. Thank you guys. Actually, I have another call. Don't worry, guys. It's a purely interaction session. It's not like sharing my screen, telling that. It's not like that. I want everyone need to be executed the code, and every day we need to. Once you're done with that, only we will move to the forward. Okay. Otherwise, we will not move. Uh, we'll see tomorrow with the same time. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. We'll see tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Yeah, bye.